Gold is up 9% this month, $15 away from breaking out to $2,000 per ounce. Gold is also trading at all-time highs against multiple currencies as we've continued to see further safe haven inflows as a result of the current geopolitical situation in the Middle East. Alongside that, we have energy prices which are ripping higher. Natural gas prices for the week, they're up 15%. European natural gas prices, they've broken out almost 50% in the month so far. Crude oil prices, they're up 3% today. Alongside this, we have agriculture, which is breaking out to multi-year highs. And of course, we've seen platinum, palladium, and copper. They have all broken out over the course of this week. At the start of the week, we talked you through massive opportunities on platinum below $900 per ounce. In fact, many of you have capitalized on that. Yesterday, we broke out to $920 per ounce on platinum. A very simple trade opportunity for you to capitalize on. We also highlighted to you trade opportunities on WTI crude oil back down towards $83 per barrel. That's happened twice this week. The oil has dipped back towards $83 per barrel yet again just yesterday, and now we've already seen oil prices, they've broken back above $85 per barrel in the last 12 hours. So again, there's just been back-to-back opportunities for you to capitalize on the current market conditions. This comes back to the point that has been stated multiple times on our reports. We are now seeing the grand rotation. So the playbook here is selling equities and then rotating capital into commodities. JP Morgan, Bank of America, Goldman Sachs, alongside ourselves, who've been reporting on this now for months, have all been banging the drum here. The golden age of investing, that is now over. We've now transitioned into the golden age of trading, where you want to be actively managing your portfolio in order to beat inflation and in order to maximize on the current market conditions, which are being presented right now on a daily basis in commodities. This comes back to the point that even Paul Tudor Jones made recently, sell stocks, buy gold, right? And we've seen this play out in real time. Gold breaking out in multiple currencies to all-time record highs. Gold is almost now back at $2,000 per ounce. And alongside that, there has been multiple opportunities to capitalize here on not only gold, but also agriculture and energy as well, which, as you know, is directly getting disrupted by the conflict in the Middle East right now. The countries involved in this conflict are all major producers of commodities. And with that, we have very clearly seen in real time commodities slingshot higher over the month of October. You have multiple commodities now trading at multi-month and multi-year highs. But again, the playbook here has been very straightforward for you to capitalize on. So again, at the start of the week, we provided opportunities that we saw in the market to be buying oil back down at $83 per barrel. Those trades, they're already up over 3% on the week. Alongside that, we mentioned to you platinum opportunities below $900 per ounce. We've seen platinum break out to $920 per ounce. Alongside that, palladium is also another metal to have on the radar here. Any dips back down towards that 1100 zone, that has provided massive opportunities to capitalize. Since the end of last week, where palladium broke down to 11-month lows, it has already broken out 600 points over the last 7 days. Copper too, down to 3.6 or lower. This has provided some fantastic opportunities for you to capitalize. Now, as it relates specifically to gold and also silver at the current prices. So you know our stance here and our positioning in the market. We have rotated and built into 12 positions here on gold over the month of October. We've continued to bank on strength. We're managing those positions, which are currently up significantly, with all of those trades built under 1900 all the way down to 1822, as we talked you through in detail over all of the reports for the month of October, that it was nothing more than a massive buy opportunity, with gold cascading back down towards the 1800s. The lowest point was at 1,810 US dollars per ounce on non-farm payroll at the start of the month. And now we have gold within spitting distance of breaking out to $2,000 per ounce just within a matter of 2.5 weeks. So again, well done to everybody who's absolutely crushed it. Commodities are the place to be. This week it's been confirmed you've got the S&P 500 moving into a bear market as we continue to witness in real time the great rotation out of equities and into commodities. If you're not making money on commodities right now, you absolutely should be. Now, of course, this comes down to experience in the market, but fast tracking all of that by utilizing data, statistics, market intelligence, using a professional, research-driven approach, learning and understanding the daily, weekly, monthly, quarterly, real-time data-driven cycle for each commodity. Alongside that, the intermarket correlations, the ratios in the market. Further compound that with the macros, the fundamentals, the geopolitics, the key areas of liquidity, which will help you with your sniper entries and also when to bank that windfall amount of profit. Then further compound this with how the hedge funds, money managers, banks and institutions, how they're all positioned in the market in real time. This will help you massively to get an edge. So with that, if you would like to join our community of successful traders, learn the professional research-driven approach to the market, and join our professional mentorship program, there is an opportunity for you to do so. Just make sure you click in the link below today's report in order to join our professional mentorship program.